Today I'm using Eco Wash. In our ready-to-use form, the ratio is 1 to 512. When you have a panel that just has a light layer of dirt on it, maybe just a light layer of grime, nothing that the debris is overly heavy, you can use it in this form to go ahead and wash a panel. What we're going to do is go ahead and soak it down and then just simply wipe with light pressure, going in straight lines, starting from the top and working our way down. Eco Wash is now on there. We're going to start from the top, going in straight lines with a very light pressure. We're now washing the panel. To dry the panel, simply flip your towel and come back across in the same pattern with light pressure. Eco Wash is also pH balanced, so the great thing about that is you can even use it to clean your interiors without any worries. Interested in the product? Click the link down below. Also, like, subscribe to keep up to date with all of our OP products.